abandoned and stuff. And compared to the high class, it's like 3 stories. Well, these ones are just very simple, 1 stories. As you see to your right, you will see a transportation route. So those transportation routes are all over the place because we wanted to build like a transportation city where you can get around easily. And what you just saw there was a lady moving or just going to church, which brings the community together, I'd say. So now we're going to be moving on to the other middle class area because the middle class goes to the right side of the Hoyt sector model. Thank you.
Now we will talk about the next middle class area. In this area, you will notice that it feels friendly and familiar. The streets are clean and well kept, and most of the houses look similar in size, giving the neighborhood a comfortable, organized look. The homes here are medium-sized, usually with simple front yards and neatly trimmed grass. Many houses have porches and small gardens. While the designs aren't overly fancy, they're practical, cozy, and well cared for. Overall, this middle-class neighborhood stands out for its sense of community, comfortable homes, and relaxed, welcoming atmosphere. It's the kind of place where people work hard, support each other, and build a stable, everyday life.
Now you have come across the factory area. So these factories are for mass production for our new and growing city for the CBD. And as you can see, these have a lot of hazard stuff and a lot of green stuff. This is causing environmental pollution. It's causing some runoff because it's so much dirt and chemicals everywhere. And we made it so that these factories look kind of huge, and they obviously run through the homeless area because that's how it looks like on the model. That's a little sliver. And I come on the top. We added some details to show point source pollution, and it's where the pollution is coming out of this little cylinder thing, and it's causing a lot of bad air and everything. So yeah, this is it for the factories causing environmental pollution in our new city. Thank you.
As we move away from the central business district of the main city and we move outside of the low-income neighborhood, we reach our commercial farm. The commercial farm grows several plants here, but also grows tobacco, a cash crop. There's also a windmill here that sources energy for the farm, as well as a tractor and several animals. Over here we have our greenbelt, which is a protected area of open space that stops urban sprawl and keeps nature around the city. The forestry acts as a separation from the city and other zones. We also included a Shinto shrine. It represents cultural diffusion, which is the spread of cultural ideas or traditions from one place to another. Along with that, it also connects to globalization. Globalization is what allows cultures, ideas, and traditions to spread worldwide through travel, communication, and technology.